Rectifier Assembly, manufactured by ICE Marine with OEM 664-8197-0-61-00 and 664-8197-0-62-00 is a reliable voltage regulating solution designed to protect electrical systems and ensure stable battery charging on Yamaha outboards from 9.9 to 55 horsepower, including models like 3OEL, 3OES, 4OLN, 4OES, and CV55, with added compatibility for Parsun, Makara, and Powertec engines. Built with a durable metal heatsink for efficient heat dissipation, this rectifier delivers long-lasting performance in demanding marine environments and features a 4-wire plug-in design for easy, direct installation. It replaces and supersedes multiple part numbers including 664-8197, 0-60676-8197-0-00, and 6E9-8197-0-70, making it a dependable OEM fit upgrade for restoring charging system reliability. This high-quality aftermarket component is supplied by ICE Marine in Taiwan, a trusted name in marine parts, with more details available at iceboatparts.com, via seller at icemarine.cc, or on WhatsApp +88 69 664 68632.